Hello guys, welcome back once again. I hope you are doing great. In today's session, we are going to learn about text. One is there are two different types we can write in text. One is single line text, and the other one is the multiple line text. But in today's session, we are going to learn only with respect to the single line text. In single line text, we got around 14 different methods are there. We'll see one by one what are those things. Before going into the text, so there are certain things we need to remember all the time whenever you are using this command. The first one is what is the font size you want, right? What should be the text angle, or what should be the text height, or where you want to write this text. These are the four different primary things you need to remember all the time. Or else if you are not if you forget with respect to text height, again you need to increase your text and decrease your text, all those things you need to do. So here, that's why I told you people about the four different preliminary things we need to remember before going to the text, right? So under this, first what I will do, I'll just use all the time shortcut keys. If you want, you can go with respect to your text and you can just select your just select your single line text. Now what I will do, I will type dt, right? I'll type dt. So you can check out here dt. When I write here, you are going to get the text, and you press enter or a space key. Now you can check out in the command line what it is saying. It is saying me that specify the middle left corner or justify or style. So here first we need to justify which method I am going to use out of these many, right? So for that, what I need to do, I need to type j, enter, or you can just click on this justify. I'll type j and I will hit enter. When I hit enter, whatever the methods I have been written over here, all these methods are listed here in the command line, and again you are going to get one more option on your screen also, right? So the first one is there, the first method is there, align option is there, right? The first method is align. You can just type a enter, because in the previous lecture also I have told you the shortcut key for any of the sub categorized methods, so they have been listed in the first letter will be in the capital letter, and again that letter will be in the blue line color. Whatever you are seeing in blue line color, that will be the your shortcut key. Just you type a enter, or just you hit on your align, that is also okay. Now it is asking me the first end point of the text baseline, right? So here for example, I have taken the start and end. First end point it is asking, this is my first end point and this is my second end point. In align, what is there, the text height will be adjusted automatically. Why it is adjusted automatically? Because whatever the alphabet I was taking here, it has not asked me anywhere the text. As I told you in the starting only, we should keep in the four things, primary things. One is your text height, text angle, font, and where I need to be placed. So I want to place within these two end points, starting end point and your second end point. Within these two only I want my text to be written, but I have not given any of the text height, right? So it means from starting and from ending point, it will fix my automatic size. See here, for example, if I was writing a, you can check out here, the a will be written from the starting end point and end second end point. Within these 2 points only it has been written. When I keep on increasing the letter, the text height will get reduced automatically. Why it is reducing? Because it has not asked me the text height. Initially it has not asked me text height. You can check out here. If I was writing, as the alphabet increases, the text height will get reduced automatically. So that is align. Align means from the starting and from end point, it will fit automatically. So if I hit enter once, it will come for the next line. So if you don't want to write in the next line, you just hit once again enter, it will come out of the command. So this is about your align, right? The same way, we got the second method as fit. The same thing, you need to, the procedure need to be followed the same. dt, press enter, again go with justify j, and here now which method I am taking, the second method will be the center, sorry, second method will be the fit. Fit, in this case these two are related method, which those two methods, aligned and fit methods, are related. You can check out here, when I was clicking on the fit, it is asking me the first endpoint. This is my first endpoint, and again it is asking me the second base endpoint, right? Second endpoint of the text baseline. If I hit over here, these are the starting and ending point. So now it is asking me what could be the text height you want. So this page will be set up in the inches and feet. So because of that reason I was taking the in feet. So I have written 5 feet and have been given enter. Now whatever I will write, the text height will be fixed. So you can check out here A. The text height will be fixed, but starting and ending point it is going to be stretch. In the previous align, in align command, what it is going to be happen, if as the number of alphabet increases, the text height will getting reduced automatically. But here what it is going to happen, the text height will remain same as the alphabet increases also, right? You can check out here, as the alphabet increases also, the text height remains the same, but alphabets are increasing. In previous command, what is happening, from starting endpoint and your second endpoint, it is stretching, means it is fitting according to this width, right? Now the text has been fixed over here, means the text has been restricted, only this text height you should write. If I hit enter, it will come to the next line. If you don't want to write in the next line, you just hit once again enter, it will come out of the command. Check out here, this is how it is going to be written in your starting and ending point, right? Then now dt is there, the same thing I need to follow, justify j, and the third method is my center, right? You can choose from here or you can choose here. Now I is going with respect to the center, so you can type c also. So here when I was taking center, I have been drawn over here this two cross lines. So here the center point means I was just taking over here, right? So in this case I was taking the center point as this one, this intersection point I was taking. When I hit enter, it will ask me the two different things. One is, as I told you, the primary things we need to remember. One is where you want to place your text, what should be the height of your text, and what should be the angle of your text, and font, right? So I will tell you people when should be the use this font size. But in this case you need to remember only three things. Where I want to place my text, at the center, right? I was just clicking over here the center. So again it is going to ask me the text height. What should be the text height? I was just giving the 5 feet as whatever the previous I have taken, the same 5 feet I was giving, and I was pressing enter. Now it is going to ask me the angle. So angle, any angle, if you want to keep 30 degree, 40 degree or 90 degree, any angle if you want to place that what will call your text. So after writing the text, if you don't want to use the rotate, so then you can go with respect to this command. So it is going to help you people at what angle you want the text. So here I will keep as a 0 because I was not taking any angle. So I will keep as a 0 and I will hit enter. So what it will happen, you can check out here. When I hit enter, it will ask me to write the text. So here again I will write R2CAD. So it is what it is doing, it is splitting into two equal halves. Half of this text will be on left hand side and half of the text will be in the right hand side. So why I have been taken this intersection, you should get clear information regarding how this center command will work. Center means alphabet center, half left and half right. If I hit enter, it will come for the next line. It is going to be written. So if you don't want to write in the next line also, you just hit once again enter. It will come out of its command, right? We will go with respect to the next command, dt, and press enter. Now j, enter. Now this time I will go with respect to the middle. So I will write m and I will hit enter. So it is asking me specify middle point of the text. So there will be no end point for the middle, right? So because of that reason it is asking only the middle point. So when I hit this middle point, again it will ask me the text height. So as it is I was keeping, so I will press enter. By default it is 5 feet, means previous command whatever I have taken. So if you want to continue with that one, then what you need to do, you need to hit just enter. It will take automatically that 5 feet. And again it is asking me the angle. Previously I have taken the 0 angle and I will hit the 0 angle. During this case what it is going to happen, middle means half of the text will be in the up side, means top side, half of the letter will be in the bottom side, half of the letter will be on the left and half of the letter will be on the right. You can check out here. See here, this text half for this A half will be on the top side and A half will be in the bottom side. If you are taking the whole AutoCAD, half of the portion will be in the top side and half of the what we call alphabet in the bottom side, and it is exactly at the center. Half split towards your left and half splits towards your right. So this is when I hit enter, it will come for the next line. If you are hitting once again enter, it will come out of the command. You can check out here how this alphabet has been splits into middle portion. Alright, this is about your middle. Now one more is there. Now next one is right. So here what I will do, dt, and I will hit enter, justify J, enter. Now I will go with respect to the right for R and I will hit enter. So right means what? It is stating me that, you can check out in the command, text specify right end point. Right end point means this will be the start point and this will be the my end point. This is my right portion. If I was considering this as my right end point, whatever the text will be there, it will display towards your left side. Why left side? The last letter will lies towards your right side. Last alphabet will be lies on the right side and the remaining alphabets will be the towards your left side. If I was considering this as my right end point, the last letter will be on my end point, the remaining letter will move towards my left hand side. Right, you can check out here. I'll just hit on the center point. Now it is asking me the text height, I will keep as a 5 feet, and again it is asking me angle, I will keep 0 as it is. Now it is asking me the text to write. If I write AUTOCAD, you can check out here, the last letter of this AutoCAD will be the end point of your right. This as my right end point I have been considered. This letter will lies on the right end point. The remaining letter will move towards your left hand side. Right, end point it is saying. End point means right end point. Right, this will be the starting. So where it will move, all the letters will move towards your left hand side. If you hit enter, it will come for the next line. If you hit enter, it will come out of the command. Did you got this one? Right, the next one is there. You can check out here. Next commands all are top left, top right. Please remember these things. Top left, top right. I'll take paint so that it is easy to understand you people. Okay, you can check out here. I'm just taking this pencil. This whole portion will be in the top side, right? This whole portion will be in the top side. So what it is asking me? It is asking me top end point. It is asking me top end point. You can check out here. DT. Justify, and now I am going for the first one is your top left, TL. When I hit this TL, it is asking me the top left point. So here why I have been taken this diagram is top left it is asking. Right, top left end point. This is my top. If you are considering the top, this will be my starting point and this will be my ending point. Whatever, if I was selecting this as my end point, right, if I was selecting this as my end point, all the letters will be displayed on the bottom side, right? Because I am considering as end point. End, top end means this is my top, this is my bottom now, right? If I was considering top end point as this one and top starting will be this one, definitely, right? So it means whatever the alphabets I was taking over here top left, so it will display on the bottom, and it is stating me the left. So left end point means if you are considering this as my right and this as left, so left end point means all the letter will display on your right side. Okay, please remember this one. Top means it is going to display on your bottom side, and left means it will be displayed on your right hand side. You can check out over here. So here what I was doing, I was just selecting the center or intersection point over here, top left. So when I hit over here, it will ask me the text height and angle. I will keep as it is 5 feet and 0 angle. So now it is it will going to display the alphabets. So I will write here AUDOCAD. You can check out here where it is displaying, as I taken the top side and left point, but it is going to display on the bottom side right hand side, right? Where it is displaying bottom right, because all these are, this will be the end point for your top and right, top left. For top left this will be the end point, means it will start over here displaying on your bottom right. You can just hit enter, it will come for the next line. If you hit enter, it will come out of the command, right? The same way you can go with respect to the second one is top center DT, and I will hit J, enter, and you got TC, top center. See here, top center means again it is asking the end point. End point means top again, and it is asking the center. Top means definitely we are going to display on the bottom. Center means it is going to display on the center side. If I was just taking this as this point as center, what we call top center. So if I hit over here 5 feet, the text is keeping the same, and your text angle I was keeping the same. When I hit enter, it will start displaying now. So again I will take AUDOCAD. You can check out here. Now it is displayed on the center your alphabets, but it is not in the top side, it is going to display in the bottom side. End point means you can just you can check out the just like a reciprocal of your alphabets. You can, if you want to remember easily, it is just like a reciprocal. If you are taking for the top one, it is going to display in the bottom. If you want to remember easily without any confusion, then you remember like this also. But actual, as I said you, top end point, this is my, for example, this is my top portion, this is my end point means. So if I are selecting here, the last letter will be on the top left hand side, the remaining will move on your towards your left hand side, right? This is how it is going to be worked in your AutoCAD. So if I hit enter, it will come for the next line. If I hit enter, it will come out of my command. So this is about your top center. Now we'll go with respect to the top right. Now DT, justify J, and your top right, I'll go TR, top right. So top right means bottom left side, you are going to get your whatever we are writing over here. This, if I was considering the intersection, so same 5 feet and 0 angle I will keep, and I will type the same word. You can check out here where it is displaying. It is displaying on the bottom left hand side because we have taken the top right. So diagonally it is displaying, right? So again, if you hit enter, it will come for the next line. If you hit enter, it will come out of my command. Now we'll go with respect to the middle portion. So now DT and justification J, and now I will go with respect to middle left. Middle left means middle will remains middle, only the left portion will move towards your right hand side. So left end point will be the right side, right? If I was considering this is left end point, so all the letters will display on your towards right hand side. See here, if I was selecting the center point, so I will keep the same text height 5, and I will keep 0 angle. So now whatever I was typing, it will be displayed on towards your right side, and middle is there, so middle will be remains in the middle. Okay, if I hit enter, it will come for the next line. Once again enter, it will come out of the command. So this will be your middle left, right? So same way, if I want to go with respect to middle right, okay, if I want to go with respect to the middle right, right, so here if you are selecting the second intersection, it will display on your left hand side and it will remains in the middle. So same 5 feet and 0 angle I will keep, and again here I will write what, same thing you can check out here, it is displaying on the middle and it is placing towards your left hand side, right? You can hit enter, it will come out of the command. The same procedure you need to follow, only please need to keep that whatever end point you are taking, that last letter will be lies on that side and the remaining will move in the opposite directions. If you are taking the left hand side, if you are considering top left, so it will start displaying on your right hand side, but the last letter will remains on your left hand side, sorry, right hand side, right? Now again one more is there, dt, right? Again middle center is there, so here I will go with justify and middle center MC and I will hit enter, and here I will take the text, specify the middle portion of your text, so this will I will take and I will hit enter. 5 feet I will give and 0 angle I will give. You can check out the alphabet will be exactly center, half top, half bottom, half left and half right. You can check out here. So this is how your AutoCAD will be displayed over here, your middle center. The same way here your bottom, so whatever this time if I was taking bottom center, it will bottom left, bottom right and bottom center, it will move towards your top right, top left, top center. On this case all your alphabets will be lies over here, over there. Okay, so here what I will do, dt justify, so here I will take bottom left and I will select my bottom left end point. So now it is asking me the text height, I will keep same, and text angle I will keep same. So if I write AutoCAD again, the same word I was writing, you can check out here where it is displaying on the right, top right side. I have taken the bottom left, but it is displaying on the top right, right? Hit enter and hit enter, it will come out of my command. The same way here what I will do, I will go with respect to dt enter and here justify J. Now I will go with respect to bottom center BC and I will hit enter. Now I will select the center point and text height, text angle, keep the same things. So whatever I will write this time center, so there will be no end point for the center, so it will display exactly center on the your things. So bottom means it is going to display on your top side. So hit enter, it will come out of my command, right? The next case what I will do is, the last one is bottom right. So what I will do, dt and I will hit enter and I will take justify J, enter. So which method I am taking here, bottom right, this is my last one, br and I will hit enter. It is asking me the text bottom right portion, so this one, and I will take the text at 5 feet and I will give the 0 angle. So what I will do here is, I'll just what I will do, I'll write the same word again, AutoCAD. So here this time what I have taken bottom right, but it is going to display on your top left, right? So this is about your single line text. So in single line text only this much is there, only there are 14 different methods are there. So whichever where you want to place, please keep all those primary things what I have told, where you want to place or where you want to write your text, or what should be the text height and what should be the text angle. But in this case font, as I told you, I will discuss this font style in the next session. I will tell you about this font when I was teaching with respect to your multi-line text, and I will teach you what is the difference between these two things, which one is the most effective one or which one to be used for the more things. I think the video got lengthy, sorry for those things, sorry for that. Thank you.